Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care. We're located in the Boston area, and we're shooting this video to give you a tip on how to save money and make your own daily shower spray. Use shower and baths in a family of 4, you'll be save yourself hundreds of dollars a year if you use this product every day. This represents one of the national brands, and we decided there had to be a better way. We deal with chemicals in our daily work here at Regal Fabric Care, cleaning oriental rugs and upholstery and carpeting, tapestries, and we figured let's share some of our knowledge with you folks. And again, this retails for about $3 to $4 for this bottle, and I'm going to show you real quickly how to make your own. We've been using it in our home for about 2 months, and it works fantastic. I think it works better than this national brand. And simply add in a bottle 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, and already added in are 12 drops of essential oil and hydrogen peroxide at 1/2 cup, and 1 teaspoon of liquid dishwashing detergent. Mix it equally. It'll stay mixed, but you can shake it if you'd like every time you go to use it. And the easiest thing to do is simply use this empty bottle that you have and probably have recycled many of them over the years, and just use a funnel, pour this into here, use this as your daily spray, and it'll work wonders. It'll keep the grease and grime out if you use it after every shower or bath. And the tea tree oil helps with an antiseptic quality as well. It's not only for its aroma, but it is an antiseptic. If you have any questions, please leave them below. We'll tell you how the results worked in our home. Again, we've been using it for about 2 months and it works great. Want to see more videos like this or some of our others? Subscribe to our channel just by hitting that button below, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.